Well, South Africa moved to level 1 at midnight, and nearly 6 months after the national lockdown commenced in the month of March. Meanwhile, another 1,555 new COVID-19 infections have been recorded, taking the total to more than 661,000. 13 new COVID-19 related deaths have been reported, taking the total number of fatalities to 15,953. Under level 1, only one industry remains banned entirely, and that is the nightclub industry. The overnight curfew has been shortened and will now begin at midnight until 4 a.m. Alcohol will be sold every weekday until 5 p.m. but will not be sold on weekends. However, it will be available up to midnight in bars, taverns, restaurants and pubs. The Health Minister, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, has warned against complacency going into level 1.
We are not out of the woods. The most important thing is that we still have about 10,000 patients, people who are positive per week. And we also know that there are more than the 10,000 who are infected, because the numbers are much higher. We're now searching for the vaccine. Before we get the vaccine, we can't rest. And so South Africans need to know that there isn't anything like level 1 is not like everything is over. Level 1 is just to say, let's try and rebuild our economy. That's all. Let's try and rebuild our social, religious, and traditions and everything that we have to try and bring ourselves back to normality. That's all it means, but the normality is a new normalcy now. It's no longer the same as before. So there's a pre-COVID world, there's a post-COVID world. We are now in the post-COVID world. We have to make sure we take precautions. This COVID can still resurge, and therefore we must not lose the message and be complacent. We still have to continue the fight. Therefore, the containment measures still remain in place.